Hi there, welcome to CEDLEARN. Today we would be talking about difference between a business analyst and a data analyst. Let's start with the main differentiation. What is analysis and analytics? Analysis is all about looking into the past. You are working on the past data to understand what happened so that you can repeat that or don't repeat that in the coming days. Whereas when we talk about analytics, it is about future prediction. That means you use current and past data to predict the future event which is going to happen. Here we use advanced models like machine learning or advanced mathematics and all to predict the future. Future could be prediction or forecasting. That is the subtle difference between analysis and analytics. So when we talk about any industrial scenario or organization scenario, business world depends upon decision making using customer data, or it can be any data related to your business process. So insights are very important. There are two major professionals who work on data. First one is business analyst. It's a process related intersecting the data to improve decision making. Works on goals, stakeholders, business practices, mostly process oriented, related to efficiency, cost, and result. They are involved in project planning, management, monitoring, and etc. Communication is also a major part in that. Mostly individuals with MBA would be suitable for this. Anybody can do, but those guys. Coming to data analyst, it's a technical role involving data collection, storytelling, insightful reports and dashboard generation, and so on. Tools and techniques are widely used in this. These are problem solvers using data. These professionals you breathe in data. At the low level, they engage in descriptive analytics but could work towards prediction and forecasting. Anybody could be a data analyst with proper training and guidance. That's what we do. A business analyst, even though work on data, could learn the technical aspects of data analytics and upgrade themselves. On the other hand, data analysts need domain knowledge to understand the data at hand and be effective while generating insights. That's why domain knowledge is very important. Both business analysts and the data analyst are playing important roles in transforming businesses and helping in making informed decisions. These days, with the explosion of data, there is huge demand for data analysts as every organization is becoming data centric and investing heavily in the data capturing and analysis. If you look at the trends, most of the business analysts are learning data analytics tools and techniques to be more relevant in the data centric world. Even you could learn data analytics and build your career in this great field of IT. Good luck, and we are there to help you.